Welcome guys, so today I am with LG Tone 3 FN6 earbuds and I'm going to show you how quickly you can check serial number on this device. So that's very simple. You have to remove both earbuds from the case and then you have to take a look right here inside. Let me just zoom in and also catch focus. Okay, there it is. I hope that right now you can see it clearly. The serial number appears in this place. Let me just grab this item. I'm gonna show you. Okay, let's catch focus. There it is. There is the serial number in this place. Okay, so as you can see, that's all. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.